morning, guys. It is January 26, 2022. This one here I got a call from a guy. I guess I was there a couple of months ago and did a service. And truck's running a little rough this morning. I don't know, it sounds like it's skipping. But anyway, this guy's got a burner that's he said he tried to reset it, won't reset. He said he's got oil in the tank. I was there a couple of months ago, he said. I did ask him about checking the oil in the tank. He said he's got oil. It won't reset with the usual reset button type of thing, so we'll go by there and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. I'm not sure what the job's all entails until I get there. I've got a skipper here. It sounds like it may be a bad injector or something. I'm not sure. Something's skipping. Truck's still running, but it's sounding a little rough. Kind of sounding like Joe Biden, a little rough. Oh yeah, Miss Molly, Miss Molly. I don't like Joe Biden, a little rough. Huh? Oh yeah, you love body bumps. You love body bumps, Miss Molly. She's off on safety. This is the one that had the blocked oil line last time I was here. Let's see if we're getting any oil flow. Maybe it's a spark issue. Alright, we'll see if we can reset it here. It's off on hard lockout. We're gonna hold it in. Alright, just blinked green. So it should fire. Not gonna fire on this check for oil. Bad coupler. Hear that noise? Bad motor at the pump coupling, I bet. I think it's a bad motor at the pump coupling that's gone. Yeah. See how it's spinning easy? We got a bad motor at the pump coupling. That's what it is. Oh, man. Sounds a little wokey to me. He sounds a little wokey, Mama. He sounds a little wokey. She's gone woke. She's gone woke. There's our problem right there. She's gone woke on us, Mama. Yep. She's gone woke. Get another coupling. Good. Alright, so I got a new one. It's always good to make sure that, you know, the motor's not all jammed up, the pump's not all jammed up. That's spinning fine. It's kind of good to put it in there, and you can spin it with your fingers. You get it where it needs to be. Too bad. They call a motor to pump coupling. It's a plastic. It's plastic. Thing's gonna fire right up now. She went woke on us, Mama. She went wokey. Went flipping woke. Yeah, that feels better. Before it was just freewheeling. Found your problem.
Oh yeah? What do you got?
Motor to pump coupling stripped out. See it?
Yeah.
Stripped out.
Is that supposed to have like teeth on it?
It's supposed to grab. This is the motor, and then that's the pump. This spins.
Yep.
When the motor spins, it spins the pump. Well, it was the thing was flipping. It wouldn't walk on us. The thing was spinning here and wasn't spinning the pump.
Gotcha.
So you weren't getting any oil. So that should be an easy fix.
Okay. I like hearing that.
Yeah, when I first started, I could hear it sound a little queer. Something wasn't right there, you know. It was a little queer.
I appreciate you calling back so quick.
Oh, open truck's about ready to go back in the shop. It's running, skipping on me. I was gonna just call my mechanic, but you called. I said, yeah, let me go see if I can bail him out.
I appreciate it.
Should fire now. I mean, there's no rhyme or reason to this shit. I mean, you never know when some of this shit's just gonna let loose, right?
Right.
Unfortunately.
Like I said, I know the normal, you know, hold the button or whatever, it does the reboot, and that's what.
Well, let's see if it should fire now. It's probably going to smoke a little bit because it's probably been spittering and sputtering and not running properly because that thing's kind of spinning. Wasn't grabbing it. They make them out of plastic. You'd figure they would do something a little better, no?
Right. Last a little longer.
We're off on safety again here. Let's see.
Yeah, I noticed the shower was a little cold, and then a couple hours later, I was like, oh, it's cold in here. Even with the
There you go, there's a good sound for you. Right? That's an easy one. Easy when you know what you're doing. Huh?
I know that you're push the button, but that doesn't work.
Yeah, son of a bitch she was spinning, freewheeling there. Yeah, because I could spin it right on the shaft. Figured they would make it out of something a little better than the plastic, but... New motor to pump coupling last time I was here. I did a lot of shit here. Yeah, we blew the oil tank back, remember?
Yeah.
OSV valve was removed. We did a whole bunch of stuff.
Yep.
So it's been a couple of months. Hey, you never know, I guess, huh? No, I'll be fine now. Be fine now. It's running. She's up and running. Oh, crusty there. It's not looking so kosher.